Your temperature control in your Tesla is like second to none. And what makes it even more spectacular is the voice command features that you can do. So in today's video, I'm going to go through voice commands that you need to know in your Tesla as it relates to the temperature controls. And we're starting right now. All right, so first things first, in order to activate your voice command, on the right hand side on the stroll wheel, you're going to press it one time and you can say, turn on the fan. And once you say turn on the fan, I'm not sure if you can hear it. However, the fan is now on. Now, I'm actually going to show you how to turn on the AC. It was already on. However, if the fan turns on and you want the AC, you can press it down again and just say, turn on the AC. After you say turn on the AC, if we stroll up, now you can see that the AC is now enabled. So now you're getting that cold air. If you want to turn off the AC and just get some fan going, turn off the AC. And now if we stroll up, you can see that it is disabled. However, it's hiding here, so I'm going to go and turn that back on. With your Tesla, if you are hot, all you have to say is, I'm hot. By saying I'm hot, it decreases the temperature by 3. So anytime that you say that you're hot, it will decrease. And if you're cold, I'm cold. And now it is increasing the temperature by 3 degrees. So you see it was 67. So if I say, I'm hot, it went down to 64 degrees. If you want your AC to go to full blast, if it's like, even right now, I am sweating. I'm not sure if you can see, I literally have sweat because it is blowing at 1. So I want to turn the fan up off of that 1. So all I'm really going to say here is turn the fan to 7. So if you tell the fan to go to a certain speed, as you can see now, I feel the air and it is on 7. My butt is cold. If you say your butt is cold, it's going to increase the heat warmer by 1 every time that you say that. But like I said, it's hot, so we're going to go on and turn that off. If we go on and say, my feet are cold, now it is enabling the floor vents as well. And if I say my feet are hot, let's see what's going to happen. My feet are hot. And also it enables your floor vents. You can see that it's still on 64 degrees. So if you would say something like that, I guess that you would still have to say the temperature that you want your feet to be blown at. My hands are cold. By saying that your hands are cold, it should have enabled, yes, right there, it's enabling the heater on the steering wheel. So that did take effect. And if you want to say turn off the steering wheel heater, so let me actually go put this back on and let's see. Turn off the steering wheel heater. Let's see what's going to happen here. I didn't get anything. Oh, well, it is off. I just didn't get any confirmation that the car actually understood. Or, look, we're on 64 degrees now. And if you want to set the temperature to something else, turn the temperature to 72 degrees. Pretty cool. So you see that the temperature right now is on 72 degrees. However, you can turn the temperature down or even up by saying this. Set the temperature to low. As you can see, now it's going to go as cold as it can get. And I guess you would have the polar opposite as well. Set the temperature to high. Now it's going to get hot in the car, but not good on the summer day. But if you're doing this in the winter, that might be something that you want. And it sounds like, let's see what's happening here. Yes, so the feet are still on and it's blowing here as well. So that's really cool. But hey, I don't want to get overheated. Set the temperature to cold. Even by saying to cold or hot, as you can see here, it went to the lowest it can possibly get. Turn off the fan. Now, there is no air blowing at all. So as you can see right here, the temperature or climate control is disabled. And something else that's really cool about your Tesla now, especially in the Model 3 and the Model Y, that it comes with the biodefense weapon mode or biodefense mode. So if I say, turn on the biodefense mode, by saying that, now the biodefense mode is engaged. So if you want to turn off the biodefense mode, you can simply say, turn off the biodefense mode. And now it's off. And if you want to recirculate the air, enable recirculation. So now it is enabled there. Disable recirculation. And as you can see, it's off. Now, if you want to turn on and off your defrost, this is all you have to do. Turn on the defrost. And now the defrost is on, as you can see there. And I'll see that's your defrost. It didn't turn on that one. However, it is taking care of the front here. If you are done with the defrost, you don't have to pull up the climate control screen. All you have to do is turn off the defrost. There you go. So those are 13 voice commands that you need to know as it relates to the temperature in your car. However, there are 18 voice commands that will enhance your Tesla experience. And I'm linking that video right here on the screen. Make sure you go check it out because that is a video you don't want to miss. And I will see you in that video.